I would like to welcome you to my new Cardano price prediction video for the second part of November month, looking for discovering what's happening on the charts and the price section from the technical language. So it has slowed down. We are in a phase where the sellers are in domination, especially for the short term, and we would like to discover the probabilities and how the asset is looking for the upcoming period. So in comparison towards Ethereum or BTC, Cardano is sitting much better because the retracement and the selling pressure is not appearing at such high volatility and volume. And this is just a great sign, guys, due to the fact that there is not many people willing to short Cardano at this level compared to the Ethereum or BTC or any other cryptocurrency out there, which has been wild throughout this specific pre-bull market rally. Therefore, I would like to dive into the numbers, but make sure to follow me and subscribe to my main channel. As well, for those of you that are looking for education, we have my one-on-one coaching program directly with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Feel free to schedule yourself a free call on Calendly where you will be able to find out more about it. We're going to talk about the whole process at the end of this video. So one day candlestick for our presentation, we are going to try to see if we have any ability to climb ourselves back to 46, 48, 50 cents. 50 cents right there, not just because its name and the way we used to pronounce that, but most likely because of its power in the sector of a round number. 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, 1.5, $2, 2.5, and so on are always major key levels, which the exchanges enjoy touching, which the market makers enjoy touching as well, for two different reasons. Number one, when they pump the prices towards such round numbers, people tend to enjoy more and more those cryptocurrencies that find themselves near to such numbers because of the possibility of a strong breakout and a parabolic movement beyond that. So they like to drive the prices there because you, this way, as they are seeing, are going to spend your resources and purchase the crypto at that level. The second reason is that once that round number level is crossed, if it's worth for them, they will crash the markets. They will have the bearish control on their domination, and they will trigger this way a lot of the liquidations on the futures market, because that's where people engage to enter. This is where people basically also enjoy putting stop losses. The ones that have been shorting the market of Cardano will set stop losses slightly above the round numbers, so they will push above the round number and then trigger their stop losses, leave them out, take their money, and have the markets dumping right away. It happens so many times. It will happen from now in every single case scenario it's needed. It goes like that. So there's a lot of the things on the table right now that are still sitting towards bullishness for Cardano in the upcoming period, although it has not been increasing that much, just like we would have expected. And this time I would have enjoyed seeing Cardano at 57, 58 cent top, which is this one right there that has been rejected by our 100 days moving average very, very promptly, which is basically the one that dominated the market at that phase. Now, currently speaking, there is a room until that level, but there's something we need to fight with, which is the golden pocket in between the two black lines that are hiding a strong selling pressure. This selling pressure is coming in connection with the BTC and Ethereum markdown, which is why you have been facing the day before and yesterday some significant retracement out there. Some people got liquidated. I've been seeing these statistics, 13% in 2 days. Keeping in mind that this is not 40-50% retracement. This is still part of a healthy rally. You need to understand that in order to touch high numbers, you are not going to expect, unless you are wrong and you decide to be wrong by your willingness, continuous movement upwards without having the markets retracing, without having the markets founding levels that they're building on HTF, which is high time frame level, in order to perform from there another reaccumulation and prepare for the breakout of the previous stop. This is constantly needed. This is not because I am looking for seeing my portfolio decreasing or because I would like to short the markets. I am not shorting the markets during such conditions when I see basically how bullishness everything goes around. So there is no reason for that, of course. But at the same time, I run around with protection and make sure that my increase is constantly keeping in mind the fact that I need to make sure that I'm not going to get hit by, all sorts of big losses due to the fact that there is volatility in the altcoin markets. So when you deal with margin and futures, you need to assume that the high speed can very, very easily affect you. What happened is we got a good reaction by 20 days moving average, and I'm pretty satisfied to see that because right now we are about to do the golden cross. The golden cross between 50 days and 200 days moving average. The 50 days is the orange line and the 200 days is the blue line. We are about to do the golden cross. One thing that is very significant here is that the golden cross appears above the resistance line as well. So we have fundamentally shifted our level to a much better situation right now for a Cardano. What is expected basically is an easy breakout out of the top and some more trouble at the 46 cents area, where I would like to see another retracement back to 40 cents, build it up and allow us for a trending line breakout. People must see that we're ready to go. So the charts gotta build patterns, gotta build indications in order for people to see those and act along the way with the market makers. That's how it is. They need your volume, we need their volume, so we can go in connection and run through the same purpose. Let's hit that 50 cents and then see what's going to come after that. Because the 57, 58 cents top is obviously very powerful, but it's quite far away, to be honest with you. There is a lot to fight until that level. It's 56% percentage-wise, and there is a lot to fight. So unless there is an external news coming for Cardano that will shift the whole picture to another level, it can easily print 30% in a day, and then you're just going to wipe through the whole resistances, break all the walls, and go like a tsunami effect without any issues, unless you have that, which is something obviously uncontrollable for us as traders. You are not going to have an easy time going through everything. I mean, BTC did increase a lot, Ethereum did increase a lot, and major other altcoins have been following through a very good rally so far. So if this slows down, Cardano will have difficult times reaching to the target of 57, 58 cents without the support of the environment of the market. That's the honest perspective. However, what Cardano can do, which would be better compared to the others, is not to retrace that much, because it has not been increasing that much towards its capable levels, I would say. This is what we need to know, guys. Cardano has certain capable levels, which is not at the moment. And I'm being honest with you. We're going to have a prediction video for 2024 on my channel, which will appear in the next weeks. So stay with me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. If you have questions on the topic, let me know in the comments area. At the same time, if you're willing to find out more about the coaching program, check around our page. This is one-on-one directly with me, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z in a professional way. Comprehensive, intensive coaching program with homework, live trading, technical analysis, mindset, mentality. We're covering everything that is needed. Hop up on a free conversation with me on Calendly. Link is in the description area and comments area, and find out more about the whole thing, including our completely done for you trading, where we use an AI bot trading to perform. No prior fee to join, only commission from the profits made. Simple and straightforward. Have a good time checking around my channel. Subscribe, like the video, and all the links for all the resources are in the description area and comments area. Have a good time.